Hey, how y'all doing? This is Kevin from St. Louis from Pickin in the Hood, 'cause we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey, I just want to go over some of the stuff I sold this yesterday. Um, I go to a whole lot of thrift stores. I've been selling on eBay since 2002. Um, just a little bit about me. I used to sell video games. That's all I used to sell on eBay is video games. This for the past year, I've been trying to sell everything. So I decided to make videos about where I go and the things that I buy and the things I sell. Yesterday, I sold a couple of items that I'm getting ready to send off today. I'm gonna start with the items that I paid the least for, and and let me turn this computer on right quick, and go from the highest, the lowest to the highest, what I sold. Okay, hold on. Let me wait till this kick on. It's a hood laptop. You know what I'm saying? In the hood, we scrap up stuff. So that's why it's taking so long. No, I'm just playing. This laptop it's old, but hey, I don't give a dang. As long as it work, I don't care. I got the Ethernet hooked up to it, and it's on Windows 10, so it should work. But it's taking a minute to pull up. I'm gonna start from the lowest to the highest of what I sold. Okay, I'm sick of waiting on that, so I'm gonna show you. A little while ago, I paid $4 for a bag of vintage pens, refills, the pencil refills, the mechanical pencil refills, and stuff like that. And I put them on eBay, and they've been on there for about 3 or 4 months. But I don't care. I sell the some every once in a while. But these three right here, I put them in sets of three. I got 3 sets on there of 3. I sold these for $15. Okay, and I paid $4 for that bag of pencils and ink pens and stuff, vintage pencil and ink pens. My glasses are kind of glaring up. Okay, so I paid $3 for those. I'm getting ready to ship those off. They probably less than an ounce. They are, so they probably ship for about $2 or $3. You know, I'm gonna say $2.75, something like that. Okay, so I think I charge $2 for shipping. On stuff like that, I charge $2 for shipping. And I got, if I can pull my stuff up, I can move a little faster. Hold on, give me 1 second, y'all. Just chill for a minute. Give me 1 second to pull this stuff up, and then. Okay, here we go. Okie dokie. Now, I sold those pencils. What the hell? Hold on a minute, y'all. This thing is tripping. Okay. And somebody just bought some filters from me. Okay, I sold these pencils for $15.50. These pencil reloads, mechanical pencil reloads. I got a brand new Xbox Tony Hawk's game that I bought years ago. I've been selling games for a long time. I got hundreds of games that I'm just not putting on eBay, and they're just not selling. Back in the day, they wasn't selling, but now people like vintage stuff, so they're selling. So I sold this for $13.50, $2 shipping. No, I paid for shipping. Sorry about that. So it's gonna cost me $2.75 to ship this out. So $13.50. I had it for about 15 years. Okay, another second thing that I sold, the third thing that I sold is this. I like selling ebooks. Well, not ebooks, but you pop these in your CD player while you driving down the highway, and it's just like reading a book, but you're not reading. You know what I'm saying? Because you lazy. You looking for the hood. You ain't got time to read. You trying to save your life. You trying to get out the. But no, I'm just playing. I sold this for $15, and I'm paying shipping for it. So it's going out. Excuse me. It's going out in media mail, so it probably cost me $2.75 to send this. $2.75. I paid $2 for it. $2, brand new in the package. Okay, the third thing that I sold. Okay, this Digimon. I used to buy these all the time. I had this for about 15, 20 years. This Digimon, this original Digimon card, Digibattle card game. I sold this for $15 and I charged them $4 shipping. So that's $19. And I've been had just in one of them bins over there. See those bins over there? Been one of them bins over there for 15 years. Whatever. I'm digging this stuff out now. I got stuff back behind me in the cabinet. I got stuff in this closet. I got stuff in my big garage outside that I need to get out and sell and list. I got stuff everywhere. I want to say I got thousands of dollars worth of stuff that I don't even need to go to no thrift stores no more or nothing. I got stuff here I can sell. Okay. Then I sold I don't have this no more, but I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you this what I sold. This little magnet right here. See that little? Can you see that? It's a magnet, a refrigerator magnet. I sold it for $5. I paid for a big bag of magnets. They had like probably about 60 magnets in it. I paid $4 for that, and I've been selling magnets out of it like crazy. I sold that magnet for $5. And I paid $4 for the bag. I'm just telling you, I can't help it. And I still got these listed. Where they at? Oh, here they are. I got these listed on my account. That's why I keep them over here, because I don't want to put them up. I got these listed. Some of them, ain't nothing in this bag less than $5. Nothing. So, then I still got like 40, 50 more in another bag that I looked them up. They wasn't worth anything, so I didn't list them. But I might list them for like $2 or $3. It's not like I probably paid about 10 cents a piece for those things. So if I make $1, I'm cool. Okay, now we get into the big, larger items. Okay, so let me get this camera back, because I got a big, you got a big head, you can't have that zoom. You know what I'm saying? Because the head take up the whole camera. Okay. Now, I paid $4 for this. It's a sling box. You ever heard of Sling TV? It's a sling box right here. I paid $4 for this. I just sold it for $111. $111. $4. Okay, it come with all the connectors and the electric plug. It come with all that. See that? $4. Okay, so I'm getting ready to ship all this out today. But this is the big item right here that I sold the other day. Okay. Well, yesterday. I sold 6 items yesterday, and I'm getting them out today. You guys from the hood never heard of this. Never. But I'm what they call, I'm also a prepper. And people don't know what prepping mean. That mean, well, actually, I think everybody should prep. And that means, like, in case something happens, you'll be prepared. Like, if you should have a room downstairs in your house that's that got water, food and stuff like that, that'll last you for at least a couple of weeks in case something have disaster happen or something. So I'm a prepper. I got what they call a prep bag. No, they call it a bug out bag, where you got all. If I'm driving down the street and something happened, and I need some, I gotta have some emergency stuff, like stuff that you carry, like knives, matches, stuff like that in a bag, blankets, stuff like that in the bag to help you survive, to get home to your family. Say ain't no gas and you 20 miles away. You know, I got pistol, I got knives in there, I got everything I need to survive in that bag. So that's prepping. Now I don't have nothing like this though, but this is called Survivor 06 hand operated water maker. This saltinator, whatever that is. When you salt, you can get water from the sea, and then to take the salt out the seawater. Okay, you ain't believe how much I paid for this. Now, I was in one of my favorite thrift stores, and this was on the shelf right here. It was on the shelf for $4. $4. You can see the other part right there. That's how it look. It's got a hose. You pump it, and it cleans the water for you. Now, they got smaller version of this that you stick in the water and you suck through a straw, and it'll filter the water. Like if you go to a river or something, you suck the water through it like a straw, and it filters everything out. They got smaller versions of that you can keep in your bug out bag. But this version right here, I paid $4 for it. I just sold it for $165. $5 shipping. $165. There's people out there that's doing some serious surviving. $165, and it weighs probably close to 2 pounds. It weighs 2.5 pounds. So it's gonna be shipping out at probably $7-8, probably a little bit more than that. I'm shipping first class. You pay $165. I'm putting it in the priority box. I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm gonna wrap it up in some bubble wrap so it won't get damaged. Yeah, $165 for that. Okay. Then the other day, I'm proud of this sale right here. Let me show you guys this. The other day, I bought a bunch of little birds. I bought a bunch of birds from one of these favorite stores I go to, right? And I looked at them, and my son was with me. I said, I'm finna look at these. They're $1 a piece. I'm finna look at them. I looked them up on eBay. They were selling for $50 a box for 2 of these little bitty birds, right? It was 15 of them. I bought all 15 of them. A guy just bought 12 of them the other day. 12 of them. Okay, let me pull that up for you. I think I pulled the wrong thing up. He bought 12 of them the other day. What the hell going on with this? I'm sorry. It ain't pulling it up. It's pulling the $32 one up. Okay. Anyway, he bought. You can see the price right there. See it right there. He paid $384 for 12 of them. $384. So I sent that out fast. I wrapped each individual box up and bubble wrap that thick so they won't get damaged. I put them in the box and I sent it to him. $384. He bought almost all of them. But when I saw them, they were selling for $55 a piece. I put them on there for $32. I undercut everybody. $32 is how much I put them on there for a piece, right? So this guy probably buying them to resell them because he got possibility to make them between $10 to $20 a piece for them. You know, that's another couple of $100 that he can make. You know, I don't care. I paid $1 a piece for them. I don't care. I paid $1 a piece. He can have these mother suckers. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, that's all I want to tell you guys. I'm going to send this stuff off. And remember to always subscribe. Subscribe to me, man. Come on now. Push that subscribe button. Push that thumbs up saying you like the video and subscribe. All right. Remember, we pick in the hood too. Peace.